Welcome to the lab. In this video I'm going to show you what I found on Amazon. It's UV reactive beads. These beads change colors as soon as they're brought into the presence of UV light. I thought this would make a good educational experiment to test different strengths of sunscreen. But first, let's look at why we need sunscreen. Sunscreen blocks UV radiation. There are actually three types of UV radiation. There's UVA. This is considered a soft UV. It is the UV that is emitted from black lights. UVB is the reason why we buy sunscreen. This UV can cause skin cancer and early aging. UVC is the strongest of the three, and thankfully it is completely blocked by our ozone layer. Now let's look at sunscreen. It has an SPF rating on it, which stands for sun protection factor. The higher the number, the greater the protection. Now here is 30 SPF, 50 SPF, 70 SPF, and 100 SPF. Well, as you can see, the number of violet beads decreases with the higher SPF rating, which means that more UV light is being blocked by the sunscreen. Well, that's all for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.